Hello everyone, Styles by Lailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today I am making cold processed soap. Here you see me pouring my fragrance oil in, measuring it all out. If you are interested in seeing what kind of soap I'm making, how I make my soap, please stay tuned for this video and make sure you like, comment, and share for whoever want to start a small soap business at home, okay? So here I have my hot lye water. I am just storing everything up, making sure everything is incorporated because if it's not, it will compromise your soap bar. So you have to make sure everything is incorporated. All the lye crystals are broken down and dissolved. Any of your additives that you have inside of your lye, you have to make sure everything is all dissolved. So here I have my liquid oils and additives. I'm going to give it a quick blending up so that everything is incorporated once again. I'm sorry y'all, I had a call. So rude. But here we are mixing everything up. It is so pretty, y'all. I made a little reel of me just mixing it. Here in this big container, I have my hard oils and butters, and I am going to pour my hot lye water solution right in with my hard oils and butters in order to melt them. This here is called the heat transfer method. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep clearing my throat. I got asthma. Y'all who know me and been following me knows I have asthma. And this year, this winter, yeah, it's been rough. But this this process takes about 7 minutes, depending on which hard oils and butters you are actually using.
I'm so
See,
sorry,
I
y'all.
use
Mommy
cocoa
duties
butter and shea
called,
butter,
but
which are
now
some of
I
the harder
am
oils. So it took about
mixing
10
up my
minutes to
liquid
15
oils and
minutes. Give me one
butters,
second.
mixing up these little chunks that are still in my melted hard oils and butters. So I'm giving it like a little quick blending so that we don't have any chunks in our soap. Next, we are about to pour our liquid oils. Girl, take the base off, please. You finna knock the whole container over, girl. But yes, we are adding our liquid oils right in with our hard oil, melted oils and butters and lye. We are about to start making soap. Make sure y'all hit a like for y'all, girl. Okay? Share, leave a comment down below, and let me know. So now we are blending this, incorporating everything in. Sorry if y'all hear my kids. I'm a mom of 6, and they are in the backyard playing, and my office is like right off the backyard. So y'all hear them, okay? I am separating my batch so that I can um get my colors the way I want it. Okay, we're gonna have 4 colors. Just pouring it in my containers. Pouring it in my containers. Next, I'm about to add my colors. Here we have our berry twist. Next is our queen of hearts. Okay, and here is our lily pad green mica from Crafter's Choice. And I'm also going to mix the green and the gold together because I just kind of wanted to like make it a little shimmery, really sparkly. Okay, now let's blend this up, girl. Yes, blend that. Yes, I love how that purple came out. I'm just hoping it come out how I want it to come out. The way I vision it in my head, y'all, I want it to come out just like this. And I'm going to just leave this white natural color, okay? I'm blending it all separately because I don't want it to get thick too fast. I kind of like want to do like a little drop swirl. Some type of swirl pattern I'm trying to get, okay? So I don't want it too thick. Now I am about to pour this, y'all. To me, this is the most satisfying part of soap making. Pouring the soap into the mold. I mean, look at that, y'all. Look at that. We got to make sure we get those air bubbles out because, yeah, we don't want no air bubbles in our soap. Y'all will see that it will be nice and air bubble free when I get done. Okay? So now we're going to add our whites. We're going to do a little swirl up in this so we can get like a little swirl effect. We finna add our pink after we mix it and incorporate it up in there. Let's slow it down a little bit again. Just slow it down a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, I see you, Grow. Let's go. Okay, it smells so good, y'all. The fragrance I am using is Botanical Bliss. So, so now we have our green. Who wanted to thicken up on us? Like, why you thicken up, green? But I think it's my gold shimmering powder that I put up in there. Okay, that was the only difference. But it's we still gonna make it do what it do. The soap still came out spectacular, perfect. Okay, smelling good, looking good, feeling good, bubbly. Girl, I am out of breath, y'all. It's been a long day. Having 6 kids, didn't nobody tell you. You got to do homework times 6. You have to do projects times 6. You have to make plates times 6. Plus your husband's. Girl. And let's not even get on my laundry pile. With that being said, y'all pray for y'all, girl. Pray for me. This is where soaping come in at, y'all. This is my escape. And I try to express myself through my soaps. That's what makes my stuff so unique because it's made out of love, out of pure passion. You know, even though this is also my side job, this is also my passion. And I would love, love, love for my business to be able to take care of me and my family, okay? I don't want to be away from my kids. They are my kids, my responsibilities. Nobody else's, okay? But y'all see, I was trying to get like a little aesthetic effect on the top of my soaps. But I had the wrong spoon, okay? But it still gave what it gave. I'm going to put a little bit of shimmering on top just so it can look shimmering and pretty. Okay, very spectacular. Banging it down so I can get all of the air bubbles out of my soap. And here I am looking for my gold, not gold, my silver mica. It's like a fairy tale mica. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Okay, it looks really cute on bath bombs. Look, yeah, this is the shimmering mica. I'm just about to put it on top. My kid's there is taking them for a walk. So y'all might hear them a little bit, but not really. They going for a walk, y'all. We finna watch the Super Bowl. Okay. Are y'all finna watch the Super Bowl? What y'all gonna eat? Let me know who y'all rooting for. And thank you for watching my video. If you have watched it to the end, thank you for rocking with your girl. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And leave a comment down